The Drag Text in Profile Panel tool is used to modify engineering text in the profile panel. The elevations labeled along the side of a profile panel and the stations labeled on the bottom of the profile panel may not be modified with this tool. However, engineering text such as the stations and elevations on vertical curves, the inverts on manholes and catch basins, grade lines on vertical curves, and pipe labels, and other types of engineering text in the profile panel may be modified. Generally, this tool is used to clean up a profile panel. When a profile panel becomes busy, the text may overwrite, or it may be in an inconvenient location. So let's window up and take a look at these three pieces of text. Now, this piece of text runs right into the existing profile. This piece of text runs into this pipe. This piece of text is chopped in half by a line coming from the vertical curve. So the first thing we can do with this tool is to drag text around. We select the tool, and then it prompts us identify text in profile panel. So we click the text, and now we can move that text anywhere we like, or we can come and change its attributes. So let's just try moving these pieces of text around. Let's move this text to here. Let's move this text down, and let's move this piece of text down to here. Now, if we change the angle of the pipe or the angle of the grade line, we'll see that that text stays modified as we left it. So it stays relational to the object that it belongs to. So if we move this PVI, we see that the text still stays with the grade line. Let's use our tool, select the text, and put it under the grade. And let's reselect it, change its font, change its size, and let's change its color to blue. Now we'll go back and move the vertical curve again, move the PVI, get that out of the way, and we see that the text remains parallel to the grade line. Its engineering value remains correct, yet it stays blue under instead of above the line. And as the pipes were changing, this text remained under the pipe where we dragged it to. Now, if you select the text, you'll see that the dialog unfades. Let's reset. When no text is selected, we can pick the command, yet no particular piece of text has been selected, so everything is faded. When we select the text, it unfades. Now, the angle's not unfaded because we haven't turned the toggle on. So if we turn the toggle on, now the text will hold at this exact angle regardless of the angle of the grade. So we could change that angle to 0, and it'll stay at a 0-degree angle rather than moving around. It'll move with the grade line but won't remain parallel to the grade line. It'll stay on our toggled angle. If we made it 45 degrees or 90 degrees, it would always be 90. If we untoggle it, it will jump back to its preferred angle. once you have selected a piece of text and set it back down, you must reselect it in order to change any of the attributes.